Cypress, Cypress, Cypress. Why are so many people moving to Cypress right now? My name is Ken, this is Vu from Unparalleled Houston Homes, and today we are taking you guys to Marvita. This is one of those upcoming communities that you guys don't want to miss out on. So Vu, why do you think so many people are moving out here?
In my opinion, the reason why people moving into this Cypress community is because location. So because it's a safe neighborhood, so that's the first reason why they moving in. And the second thing is because of the job and a lot of future development in this neighbor as well. And the third thing is because of amenity. They're gonna build out the lazy river in this Marvita community, so be sure to check it out.
So that's absolutely crazy, guys. So if you guys want more information about Houston, you know, whether it's investing, learning more about suburbs, or market reports, be sure to hit the subscribe button. We're gonna be uploading weekly on all this type of information. With that all said, let's go check out the home now. Walk with us. Welcome on in, guys. So right when you guys walk into this home, you're gonna have high ceilings. On my left-hand side, we're gonna have the design center that we're gonna stop by later, just to show you guys some of the possible upgrades that you can do for your home. And all right, over here on my right-hand side is the office. Vu, what are you doing? We're showing clients homes right now.
Oh, I'm looking at the website. We have the website that we can actually check in the home, the new construction home on the website. Do you know that we have the website that can actually get you guys a pre-approval letter, and you guys can see the flood zone in the Houston area. Also check your home, how much your home is worth. We have the home buying guide and a home selling guide to explain the process in buying and selling in Texas.
This home is absolutely beautiful, guys. Right when you guys walk on in, you're gonna have 11-foot ceilings, extremely open concept. And as we make our way into the living space, they have a half bathroom, coat closet right here. And this would be the amazing living space that I was telling you guys about outside.
And follow me to this way. So this way, from the 3 garage door, you can access to the walk-in utility room right here on the right hand side. Even though they put the washer dryer there, it's still a lot of room in this utility room. Right here is the mud room and the pantry next to it. This walk-in pantry is huge. I'm on my left-hand side right here is a dining area, the formal dining room. They have a lot of windows, so they can absorb a lot of natural lighting. Look at this stunning area, the breakfast bar. I absolutely love this 42 inches cabinet. Real nice color, elegant, real bright up your home. On your right hand side is a flat room. Right here you can put the small couch to make it a small living room as well, or you can make it a game room. They have additional bedroom on this side. And the countertop and the cabinet, they use the same as material as the kitchen. And follow me to the living area.
All right, so when you guys make it all the way to the living space, you're gonna have high vaulted ceilings. The flooring that they use throughout this home is all tile that looks like wood. What's really nice about this area is that they have a lot of natural light coming in, plenty of open space, And if you guys have kids, you can possibly use this closet right here to store all their toys or any board games that you guys may have. For this part of the home, the vaulted ceiling goes and extends all the way to the outside of the home. And this side of the home, they have 2 bedrooms and a Jack and Jill bathroom setup. What I don't like about the Jack and Jill, however, is that they didn't tile all the way up, but you know, to his her own.
And let's follow me to this way. We're gonna see the master suite. A huge king bedroom right here and a lot of natural lighting through the window. Absolutely stunning. This way to the his and her sink master bedroom. And standing area.
Wow, beautiful, right guys? This home is actually my favorite compared to all the other builders in Marvita. This home is called the Somerville. It's a 1-story. It has a study, game room, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2,988 square feet, priced at $554,000.
Okay, and for all the feature of this house, it's come as standard. So here's the option for you guys to upgrade it. So here's all the option for standard that you can see, and here it is starting at level 1. And you can upgrade it to all the way to upgrade 1, upgrade 2, and upgrade 3. And for over here, we have the option for the backsplash that you can use to upgrade in the kitchen area and in the bathroom. And over here we have the color and the material option for the cabinet. Walk with me to this way. We have the brick option. There are seat option for the elevation outside. And for the carpet for the bedroom as well.
As for location, we are in prime time location. We're located just right here. If you guys are looking for grocery stores like Costco, H-E-B, they're located within 10 minutes. And if you guys are looking for amenities or daycares, we got it all around here as well. We're gonna drop a map here for you guys. Schools are also top notch. We have Andre Elementary School with an 8 out of 10 score, Rose Middle School with a 10 out of 10 score, and Cypress Park High School with an 8 out of 10 score. As for incentives, this builder is only giving us back $10,000. For how the market is changing, you know, $10,000 is not a lot, so I highly recommend you guys look out for an agent that specializes in a certain area to help you guys negotiate more for yourself.
And for the amenity for this Marvita community, you can see on the map right here. For the lazy rivers, they're gonna be out within every time soon. And tennis court, dog park, an exercise center, volleyball, and a pool. For the taxes, it's 3.59 a year. And for the HOA, in the non-gated community, it's 1,200 a year. And for the gated community, it's 1,600 a year.
Well, thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. If you guys have any plans on buying, selling, relocating, or renting, give us a call whenever you guys have the chance. All right, until next time, guys, I'm Unparalleled Houston Homes, out. What are you guys still doing here? Give us a call already.